Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys, and we'll show you where to find the fuse for the alternator, also known as generator, guys. Stay with us and we'll explain where you can find that fuse. If your car the alternator is not charging, the charging system is not working correctly, check that fuse, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, guys, will have at least 200 videos made. That's what our intentions are. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy replacement fuses, car parts, tools, anything like that, and you want to save money, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. Let me, guys, open the hood and I'll show you guys what we'll be doing here. Okay, and where you can expect to find that fuse now and how to replace it. So, pretty simple now, guys. Okay, open the hood, we have everything ready. This is, guys, the fuse box that we'll be working on right here. Your alternator, okay, your alternator is right there, but it's hard to get to. Okay, down there. We have a video on the channel that explains how to replace it. It's not easy, guys, believe me, but it's doable. And if, guys, your alternator is not charging at all, okay, check that fuse that we'll be checking now. Right here you have one thing that you need to press in, then you lift it up. If you want, you can remove the cover. And you can see, guys, the fuse numbers are listed on the back side right here. Those are the fuse numbers. The layout, if you put it this way, corresponds to what we have right here, guys. This is for your convenience to check out, okay, what we have. The fuse that we're looking at now, guys, it's fuse number 8. Okay, right there, fuse number 8. This is a 10 amp fuse, guys. Now, I want to show you something very quick. Okay, let me show you something. This is, guys, okay, this is the fuse box. Okay, let me open it quick so I can show you. If you guys need to buy replacement fuses, okay, you can get all those fuses for a super good price and fast shipping as well, guys. Even comes with a free fuse puller, so that is super handy because this is the fuse that we need to check, fuse number 8, guys. All you have to do, grab it, get on top of it, okay, and pull it out. Then what I'll do, I'll just get a 10 amp new fuse, guys, and replace it. Perfect. Later, install your cover. Don't forget to do that. Why? Because if you guys do, all that dust will end up inside and you may end up needing a new fuse box replacement, guys. So if your alternator doesn't work after that too, guys, we'll have a video on the channel that will explain top reasons why your car charging system is not working and what to look for. Because you may have a fuse, you may have a relay, you may have a secondary fuse, guys, and sometimes you just a bad alternator. We have a video on the channel how to test it as well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.